You approve? Two supplements that I take at night. Jay's cleaning tactic. And we're finally in bed. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to an updated evening routine. You guys seem to love my morning routine, so I thought I would share this with you guys as well, show you what life is like now that my kids are that little bit older. I definitely have a little bit more time to myself, so in today's video, I'm gonna share with you dinner, snacks, dessert, workout, skincare, bedtime, bath, all of it. I'm starting out today a little bit early for an evening routine, but I'm gonna put the dinner on. It's only about 20 past 1, but I'm making spaghetti bolognese tonight, and whenever I make spaghetti bolognese, I do it in the slow cooker because I just find that that works really well, because if I make this recipe on the hob, I need it to simmer for like an hour and I need to keep an eye on it and it spits out all over my kitchen. So I tend to just do it in the slow cooker. I basically do it the exact same way that you normally would on the hob, but then I leave it on high for like 3 or 4 hours, and it's really, really nice. I've got some garlic bread to serve with this tonight, and spaghetti bolognese is just such a crowd pleaser. Like, everyone loves it, so it's a nice, easy one, so I do make this quite often. I'm just using a good food recipe, so I'll link it in the description if you want to try it out for yourself. Chuck it all into the slow cooker, and then at least dinner is sorted.
Searching for something that ain't lost. Have we got our lines crossed?
Yeah, so dinner is simmering away in the slow cooker, and it has been for about an hour. I've just been doing some work and stuff, and now I'm gonna do a quick workout before I pick the kids up from school. Tonight's a bit crazy. There's 2 school runs, a computer club, and then there's a football match, and like we've got a lot going on after school, so I thought I would just do the workout now. It's just a 30-minute strength training, and then at least that's like a big tick off of my list. Okay, so my workout is all done, and now I'm on the school run. I am just waiting for the 2 older boys. Fraser had a maths exam today, so I'm just really hoping that it all went well. And then once we've got them, I'm gonna just go over to Jackson's school. He's got computer club today, so he finishes like a little bit later. Normally I would get Jackson first and then the big boys, but today it's the other way around. We have made lemon drizzle. Now we're just doing the holes in it, and then we're gonna put this icing sugar and lemon juice mixture in it to make it like super lemony. Good job.
Expensive matcha cake.
So this is dinner tonight. We've got the spaghetti bolognese, obviously on spaghetti, and then I've done some garlic bread, so we're gonna have some garlic bread as well. Jay?
Yeah.
Good recipe? You approve? So it's about 6:30 now, and what a treat. Matt has actually taken all of the boys to watch Fraser's football match, and he's taken the dog as well, so he's gonna walk her around while he's watching the match. The 2 younger boys can run around, blow off steam. And so I have taken the opportunity to have a bath. I've done all of my skincare. I'm completely makeup free now. And now I'm gonna do my Current Body Skin LED Light Therapy Mask. I've been using this for the past 9 months. I basically started using it when I had my upper blepharoplasty procedure done, because I'd heard that LED light therapy is amazing for healing, and I was really worried about the scars that I was potentially gonna have, but then also it's great for your overall skin health. I have been really consistent with it, and now it's like the easiest thing to do. I was talking to my friends about it, and they were like, oh, I just don't know if I've got time to like sit down, put the mask on. But for me, it is such a treat because I never really sit down for 10 minutes. And because the mask has these little like blackouts around the eyes, you can put the mask on, but you can open your eyes, you can still do stuff. So in the evening, I tend to put this on and then I doom scroll for literally 10 minutes. Probably shouldn't admit to that, but honestly, it's like the biggest treat. So you just press the button here on the handle and then the red light comes on. It just automatically turns off after 10 minutes. So you don't have to like set a timer or anything like that. So I'll just put that on, sit there and then scroll or, you know, check emails, do stuff on my phone. What I've really noticed about my skin since I started using the mask is that it looks smoother and brighter as well. Maybe I'll put a before and after on screen here so that you can see the difference. And my upper blepharoplasty scars are like non-existent. I'm gonna come in really close here so you can have a look. But obviously they cut along the crease of my eyelid and that was only 9 months ago. But if you look really closely, it is really hard to see any of the scarring. So it's been amazing for the healing and the repair of that. And I feel like the redness of my skin has really calmed down because I suffer from like mild rosacea. So I get really red cheeks here and I get a really red nose, but I feel like it's actually calmed it down because red light therapy is an anti-inflammatory and like inflammation is the main driver of it. And the way it works is actually really interesting. It uses 3 clinically proven wavelengths of light. So it uses red light to help with things like fine lines and overall glow. It also uses near infrared, which helps to calm and repair the skin. And then deep near infrared goes even further to boost collagen and firmness. I actually tried an LED mask before at a beauty salon, but it was really rigid and uncomfortable and I found it difficult to breathe, whereas this one is really comfortable to wear. And I didn't realize that not all LED masks are the same. This one is actually tested bulb by bulb to match clinical standards, which is called Veritas. So you know that you are getting like proper, consistent results, not just something that looks really cool. And obviously I'm 43 now. I am getting a bit more worried about, you know, fine lines, wrinkles, my rosacea, all of it. But now that it's in my routine, it's really easy. This is super flexible to wear. It's breathable. It's really lightweight. So I can just lay down on the bed. You can either listen to a podcast or like I said, you can just scroll and it doesn't take any time at all. And I really like it's like a little bit of time for me, but then I am also actually seeing like visible results in my skin. So I'm really happy and so happy that I've now got the décolleté one as well because this area of my skin, it's changing, it's a little bit aging. When I wake up, you know, when you sleep like that, I've got all like the wrinkles there. So I thought I would get the décolleté, like neck and deck, I think it's called. And actually, if you guys want to check out any of their products, they have given me an exclusive 10% off code, which is going to be Emily N. So I'll leave a link in the description. You can click on that and check out their products and use my code Emily N to get 10% off. And yeah, let me know what you think and let me know, do you guys use anything like this? I would love to hear. I should have shown you, this is the neck one, so it just sits like this.
Rated amount of money. We agreed on a salary amount. We walked away. The next day they called me.
Now that that's all done, I'm going to put on some serum and then moisturizer. I probably should have mentioned that I normally have my bath, wash my face. I always double cleanse and then I will do the mask and then I'll put the serum on, moisturizer, all of that. So I always do the products after the red light because I don't want the products to get in the way. There are 2 supplements that I take at night and one of them is magnesium. Apparently magnesium can help you sleep. So I take this at night just when I do my skincare, and then I also take a tablet for my hair because I feel like it has started thinning since I started perimenopause. So I also take this every night as well. Everyone is back from the football match. The 2 younger boys have had a bath. They actually had like an Easter egg, like what are they called? Bath bomb. So they put that in as well. Fraser's gonna have a shower. Anything I need to work on with the boys is once they're done a bath, they're not great at emptying the bath and then hanging up the towels. I swear every night I need to say, you gotta hang up the towels, empty the bath, blah, blah, blah. So I'm gonna have to like get them back in here. Right, so the boys are back. How did he get on?
They won.
Wee. That's
2-1.
good. I should have gone.
Yeah. When he scored,
Fraser scored twice.
yeah, he scored the 2 goals.
Aww.
And he was looking for his mum. And he was like that. And his celebration was like... where he had pulled his top up and said, "Where's my mum?"
Stop. No, but it was
and I
good.
said, "She's at home in her pyjamas again."
But it was a good game.
Yeah, it's really good.
Oh, that's good. Because we
They all played well, but
he's
he
got
played
like
really well.
exams all week, isn't he?
Yeah, it's
so we
really
were like,
bad
oh,
timing.
does he need like to be
Midweek
playing
game.
tonight? Yeah.
Yeah.
But it was worth it.
Dana's proud.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
Almost as good
What have you been
as as good as Tottenham. Just kidding.
Why are you spoiling it?
I'm just kidding. I'm
don't support
sorry. Just been hanging out, not cleaning up.
Yeah. You got your pyjamas on.
I'm gonna
not
clean
done
up
the
now.
dishes.
I've just been chilling.
Ah.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get...
This is Jay's cleaning tactic. Ooh, I like this new technique. It's actually pretty good.
New technique.
I wanted to show you my cake all done, but some of the boys have already eaten part of it. So just imagine it's all done. And how cute is this little dish? I actually got it on Amazon, but I love it. It's so sweet. So it's about 8:30 now. I'm gonna take Jackson up to bed so he can like read something and then go to sleep. But before I do go up, I'm gonna set off our little robot vacuum. We got a new one and it's really cute. You can, well, it's cute. It's really good because, oh yeah, we gotta do that as well. I nearly forgot. But I'm gonna set off the vacuum and you can set like a target area. So if like, what I'm gonna do tonight is I'm gonna choose the target area of under the table because that is where like the crumbs are from the garlic bread, and also Jackson was cutting something up earlier. So there's a few little bits of paper and stuff. So I'm just gonna get it to like go under the table while I'm putting Jackson to sleep. And he just reminded me, we also need to feed his pet snake tonight. We basically feed it once a week. It's actually a really easy pet. So we're just gonna take that up, put that in, and then it can eat. It's actually been a bit fussy because it's springtime. Yeah, we got a fussy dog, we got a fussy snake, haven't we? Yes. So we're gonna try and do that. And then what should we read tonight, Jay? Harry Potter? Keep reading your Harry Potter? Okay. I'm also gonna feed the dog. I'm just gonna put this here. She's just looking outside, so she'll probably come over in a sec. Thank you. Hello. Do you try it? So I'm just going to do a load of laundry before I put Jay to bed. If you followed me for a while, you'll know I always leave the clothes out on the banister the night before, but now that the 2 older boys are at senior school, they do their own clothes. So really it is just Jackson now. So I'm just going to leave this here for the morning. and then it's like easy to just grab and put on. So Jackson's just reading. Tonight he's reading a Dogman book. It's Big Jim Believes, isn't it? Yeah, so he's reading it. It's like a story / comic that he really enjoys reading. He actually just said to me, I love the smell of books. Didn't you? He loves it.
Yeah.
So cute, aren't you? Okay, so Jackson is in bed now, and now we're just gonna chill out on the sofa, and we're actually watching, I just put on Zoolander because Fraser's never seen it, and I was like, it's really good. And I also ordered a new blanket. I wanted to get a really big one, and this one looks really fluffy, so I'm gonna see what it's like.
I respect that. I care desperately about what I do.
Okay, what do you think? Do you like it? Matt was like, I look like I'm dying. He doesn't, does he? Tell him. He looks very good.
2 p.m. in the afternoon, we're trying to pretend we're going to bed. I still look dead.
No, it's nearly... Is it nearly 11 o'clock? Oh no, yeah. It's 10:30. Oh, it's 10 to 11 now. The 2 older boys went to bed at like 10 past 10. It's like a bit of a battle to get them to actually go to bed, but then they don't want to get up in the morning. So anyway, they've gone to bed. I fed the snake, which I didn't film because I just thought you might not appreciate it, but I'm so pleased that it actually ate, because it's a fussy snake, isn't it? Anyway, did that, and then we're finally in bed. And do you know what the greatest luxury is?
Feeding the other snake.
In life. No, it is what?
Feeding my snake.
Oh my god. Sorry everyone. No, it's a heated blanket, alright? Yeah. We have a heated blanket on our mattress, so when we bring the older boys up and like brushing teeth, all that stuff, we put the heated blanket on, and then when you get in, it is so toasty. And I know it's spring, but it's still cold at night.
Still need the edge because we don't have the heating on this time of year, right? It's
just the nicest thing ever, and like you get all cozy, and then when we actually go to sleep, we just turn it off. But I went on this sleep, it was like a sleep session thing. I was at an event, and they said that when you actually warm yourself up, you're, cooling down your core or something. Anyway, they said it's actually
also
really good.
Getting cozy.
Yeah, getting cozy, but also cooling down like your core, because your core temperature needs to drop when you sleep, something like that. So it actually helps as well, but also it's just the nicest thing ever. You can tell we're really old now. And also, just to add to that, I forgot to put my HRT on, so I just put some HRT gel on, didn't I?
Nice. Stop turning me on.
Yeah, basically. So
I feel like this video is longer than the actual evening.
Stop.
No, like it's probably like a 3-hour routine, and it's like a 4-hour video.
I just thought I would do it a bit more raw today than like a voiceover. Let me know what you think in the comments. And yeah, you like the fact that I take HRT anyway, because I was starting to hate you. Those were my
I'm so grateful.
My early perimenopause symptoms were mood changes, sleep problems, not being able to cope with stress or general things I could cope with before I stopped coping with, and wanting to kill him when he was eating or breathing. Right?
Has that changed?
Yeah, it has. I love you again. Anyway, I think I will end the evening routine here. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget, I will leave a link to Current Body in the description, and my code is EmilyN to get 10% off of their products.
We're going to now do what most people do in bed.
What? Now we're going to scroll. Just 10 minutes. All right. Night.
Night.
Bye.